What up, gamers? And today we're gonna open some FIFA World Packs, especially after the new team of the week. It's a really good team of the week, good players. Hope you get someone, but everybody just want one player. He's not the game in form, he's not Carvajal in form or Pogba, he's just record breaker, mother of the motherfucking Lionel Messi special card. Oh my god. So I'm not gonna open lots of packs or high packs. I'm gonna open simple packs, and I hope get some good players. So I'm gonna try the premier and one jumbo packs. Okay, we open the shop. I'm not gonna buy these middle fielders or forwards pack because they are shitty. So we open our first pack. Hope we get a good player. Please, EA, give me a good player. I really need it. So we open the first pack, and we get nothing. No. Okay, Van der Vaart, German player, some contracts, blah blah blah, and we store on the club. Looks like we have some extra items, no problem. So it's our second pack. We open it, and we hope I get good player. Come on, EA. Please, EA. Have mercy, EA. And we get, oh shit. This, I don't know. Look at his head. Oh shit. He's high rated, but he's not the one I want. I like just inform or high rated players, of course. So we get shit, go. Other teams, of course. Store them in the club. There is some extra, blah blah blah. Bullshit. So we're gonna try some jumbo pack. Think a new jumbo pack. Hope I didn't get silver player as best player in the pack. Those are really shitty packs, you know. You try to get some high rated and you find a silver. EA logic. So what we get? Holy shit. Oh my fucking god. Are you serious? Are you fucking serious? What a shitty pack. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my fucking god. Shit. I really hate EA, guys. I really hate her. Okay, fuck jumbo packs. Our last premier packs. We open it. Hope I don't get, as always, shit. And we get absolutely shit. Fuck you, EA. Don't buy packs. Like, share and subscribe.